would take years to really show itself. Years of figuring out what that change meant. But Sam's deal with Grimm meant he needed intel on EMPs and Black Arrow right now. Sam never asked for the little things, which meant this was big. The other question was where to meet. We picked the National Mall, public space, lots of crowds for cover, open approaches. It made life tricky for the spotters. I could dodge them, and Sam, he could find them. And he did.
Hey, Sam. I'm being tailed here. Black Arrow wants to crash our party.
It's not a secret that we know each other, Vic. They're watching you, hoping to catch me.
I think I'm insulted. You better take them out quietly so we can talk before they get back up.
What else is new?
I'm serious, Sam. If they spot you or the crowd does, the meat is off. Too much heat. Now get to it.
You didn't use them. That's your problem, not ours.
Just this once.
Sorry, no refunds. Please.
Hurry up, folks! It's the last ride
Remember,
of the
people,
night.
cost is the target. Just the bait. Wait for him to lead us to Fisher, then let me know, and we'll have backup down here so fast it'll make your head spin. Got it?
Why are you
Good.
following me?
I wasn't following you. I swear.
Talk to me about Victor Cost.
He's just this guy. I swear. I don't know anything else.
Last ride of the night, folks. Last ride of the season.
Looking for me?
You don't wanna go home knowing you missed the
Oh,
chance
crap.
to see the
You're Fisher. Dude, don't hurt me. I don't know anything.
to see what it holds. Step inside. Tickets will be a bargain at twice the price.
Tell me about your plans for me and Vic Cost.
Fuck, Fisher. I was supposed to call it in when we saw you. Backup's waiting. Ready to take you in.
Time for a change of plans, then.
Yes, you, my friends. I give you this one last chance. Don't walk away.
135 seconds and counting.
Good. Maybe we can do it again sometime.
Last ride, folks. Last ride. Make it the most.
Try being more careful. I'm sorry.
Hello?
Careful.
What is
No, not at all. No.
What do you think?
I don't know. It looks pretty scary.
Oh, come on. The fair's closing pretty soon. Take a chance.
Last chance to win a prize, fellas. Last chance
Come
to
on,
impress
pal.
your
It's almost
lady
closing
friends.
time. Give me one more
Step
shot.
up and
Zara,
give it a shot if you think you got one.
You got, like, what, 10,000 stuffed animals back there? Give me one more shot. Your manager will never know. Like a Fisher's buddy at home. Jeez,
Got a minute to talk.
Oh, shit! You're Fisher, are you? Shit! Oh!
Why are you following Victor Cost?
This was just bait. I'm an associate. We were waiting for you. Told to call it in when we saw you.
Vic, I've taken care of your admirers.
Sorry, no kidding.
Then we got a window before the handlers figure out their
I
done
can't
and
do
send
that.
friends.
What's it gonna take?
If we're gonna do the
$3,
face-to-face
same as
thing, we
before.
gotta do it now. You know the area around the monument?
Yeah.
Sorry.
There's a standalone booth right in front. Meet me there, I'll let you in.
Push yourself.
You've seen them too?
Just so majestic.
There you are. Here, put this on. We don't have a lot of time. Those spotters had to have backup. So we'll go over the basics here, cover the rest by phone.
Sounds good.
Look in the bag, you'll find your favorite pistol.
I didn't get you anything.
Shut up, Sam, there's no time. You'll also find something I borrowed from a buddy over at DARPA. It's a portable EMP generator. Low intensity, short range. The bag's shielded so you can stash your gear in there, but hit the trigger, you'll fry everything around you to use as juice.
Nice. What else do you have for me?
There's a file in the bag, but here's the short version. There's an R&D house called Whitebox, a DoD contractor that does work on EMP technology.
So,
6 months ago, they suddenly contract out all their security to those assholes over at Black Arrow. Now, that's a breaking pattern for them. They don't do corporate security. And based on what you told me about them...
might be a connection.
Bingo. It's slim, but you've gone Fifth Freedom based on less. All right, time for you to go. And you ping me when you reach safe distance, and we'll talk more about Whitebox before you go in.
Will do. Stay safe, Vic.
By order of the Department of Public Works, this fair and the museum are now closed. We have detected a gas leak on site. Everybody is to leave the fairgrounds in an orderly fashion immediately.
Come on, Sam.
Attention, attention! There's a gas leak on the site. For your safety, we need you to proceed to your cars in an orderly fashion immediately. I repeat, this is for your safety.
That's the man! You're my... You got... Got him! This is over here! No more funhouse, Fisher! Heads up, I see him! God! Ow! No gas leak, Fisher! Bullet! Jim got him! He's right there! You think I'm just gonna walk in? We got nowhere to hide! Oh, fuck! Oh! The fuck? Fuck! It's Fisher already, I'm sure. Let's not make the same mistakes we made at the airfield. This is for our... Oh, shit!